Should you or should you not start a web design agency right now? The short answer is yes. 100%, because I had this exact same question when I was struggling for first 6 months when I started this web design agency, because I didn't know what I was doing in the beginning. But after started making consistent $10,000 to $15,000 every single month within my web design agency, and also helping subscribers just like you to get similar results, I can confidently say that this is still the best business model. But at the same time, you shouldn't be doing this web design business just like everyone else is doing. Before explaining how to do the web design game the right way, let me answer the two big questions everyone would have in their mind when they're starting their web design journey. The first question, is AI going to take over the web design industry? The answer is no. You may think clients can use AI softwares and prompting to build a website just in a minute, then why do they need us? And the main reason is the local business owners don't have enough time in their life to do research about the AI softwares and the promptings. You know why? Because they are busy building their business rather than learning a new skill. Instead of treating AI as a threat, you should make use of the AI to deliver the service as quick as possible. And now we can also make use of AI agents to sign your local businesses into a monthly recurring revenue. And this is exactly how Lucas signed 2 clients, each for $297 per month, which means with these 2 clients, he will be making $600 every single month, and he just have to set this up once. And the crazy part is, Lucas signed these 2 clients just after working for 2 weeks with me, and he's still signing more clients within his web design / SaaS agency. And the second question you might have in your head is there enough opportunities to get more clients in this web design business? Because it seems like lots of people are started doing the same kind of business. And the answer is yes. We do have lots of opportunities, and let me explain by showing these screenshots. In the US alone, there's millions of businesses starting every single year, and in the month of March, there were 1 million businesses starting in just 1 month. And this trend is not just in the US, it's in the UK as well. There's millions and millions of new businesses popping up every single year. And on the other hand, even if the businesses have been there for a while, they still don't have a website, and you can target them as well. So if you think about all the businesses are starting new, and all the businesses who don't have a website, and all the businesses who do have a website but it's outdated and doesn't work. And to answering the question again, we have lots of opportunities in this web design industry. That's a crazy amount of businesses who needs our help to build their website and branding and help them stand out online. And the best part of this business is you're not limited to working with the people who are inside your area. Since you are an online business, you can get some clients outside of your country. For example, I'm going to move to Bali in just 2 months. I've already booked the tickets. Thanks a lot for this exact business model. And I can still work with the clients from the UK or the US because I'm working online. And this is the exact reason why I like this business model, because I have finally achieved the location freedom to live wherever I want and the time freedom to work whenever I want. And most importantly, I have found the financial freedom where I'm not exchanging my time for the money. And since web design is a high income skill, you can still work for 2 to 3 hours a day and still get paid $2,000 to $3,000 for every single website you are selling. A lot of people think that this web design business model is too saturated because there are lots of people doing the exact same thing. But the difference between us and them is that they are willing to lower their price to get more clients. And instead of having a high income skill and going for a high ticket client, they are lowering the price and commoditizing their service. And this is exactly what you shouldn't do, and this is exactly what I teach to my one-on-one coaching members. If you are competing in price, the clients can always go for a cheaper guy to make their website. If you have a proper offer and if you can make more money to your clients by solving the problems they have inside the business, you are not competing in price. You are standing out. And most of the web designers don't provide a monthly recurring revenue offers after signing them up with a high ticket website, where you can sign a client with a high ticket price for like $1,000 to $2,000 or even $5,000 for a website, and you can sign them up for a monthly recurring revenue offer with AI chatbots or software automations on the back end, where you can charge your clients $97 to $497 every single month. If you can stack these monthly recurring clients, you don't have to stress about how you're going to get a client for the next month, and you don't have to stress about how you're going to pay the rent for the next month. And the biggest mistake I made is to think about myself as a web designer who just provides websites to local businesses. Don't think about yourself as a web designer who build pretty looking websites. You should think about yourself as a business owner who provides website to local business owner to solve their problems with the help of your website services and the AI automations which is built inside the website to solve the problems your client may be having inside their business and by increasing their revenue. Business owner don't just pay $1,000 to $5,000 for a website which just looks pretty and does nothing, because local business owners pay for the solution which make them more money inside their business, not just for the pretty looking website. And if you think you need a degree or need to spend months and months in learning this web design skill, I did my bachelor's in computer science and master's in cybersecurity, and I just started watching YouTube videos on how to build websites, and I just started building my mockups from the day one. I struggled a bit for the first 6 months because in all the videos you are watching on YouTube, they just teach you how to build a pretty looking website and not how to get clients. And this is exactly why I enforce my private community members and my one-on-one coaching members to start with client acquisition and not to learn the web design from the day one. And this is exactly how 2 of my private coaching members signed their first paying clients even before learning how to build a website. And guess what? They only took 15 to 30 minutes to set up a website and connect a domain and make it live with the help of templates rather than creating a website from the scratch. So no, you don't need a degree. You don't need to spend months and months in learning the web design skill. You can just watch a few videos on how to build a website and start doing outreach and get some clients and provide the service and get paid. And this is exactly how Josh closed his first $1,000 deal in just 2 weeks after started working with me. And it's not just Josh. Santosh, who is another coaching member, closed his first high-ticket roofing website after struggling for months. And it's not just them. There are lots of people in my private community and in my one-on-one coaching members having similar results just like this. And the crazy thing is they don't even have any prior experience in the web design industry. And with respect to all the points we have discussed in this video, yes, this business model is legit. And if you are thinking about starting a web design agency, then go ahead and start it today. I have already made lots of videos in this exact channel to how to start your web design agency and how to scale. And I will keep on making more videos just to help you guys to have your own profitable web design agency. If you are just starting your web design industry, or if you already have a web design agency and really struggling to get clients, I can help you out with that. If you want to get similar results like this, click the first link in the description, book your discovery call for my one-on-one coaching, where I will help you to get your first or next high-ticket web design clients in just a matter of days or weeks. So click the link in the description and book the discovery call, and I will see you guys inside the meeting.